Hello, my name is Rose, and today we will be using the Find and Replace function on OpenArt AI. We're going to mainly use it today to change out different clothes. It works really great for that if you have stock images or anything like that you need to edit. So we're going to start with our anime female here, and I would like to see her in a pair of red sneakers. So it really helps the AI if you tell it specifically what you're looking for. So here I typed in a pair of sneakers. It'll help the AI find what specific thing on the image that you want to replace. And then you just type in a red pair of sneakers, and we wait for it to generate some options. Now it will take a few moments. Right here we have some nice editing, but it may take a few moments. And we have some really great options immediately. I love this pair right here. This one has some green in it. That's really nice. And these are kind of like a neon red almost. But so far, I love all the options. Now what you're going to want to do is also save that image. I didn't show it here, but I did save the image. And what we want to do actually is switch out her hat now so that her hat is matching her shoes. And right here, I just typed in hat. And I want to replace it with a red beanie. You want to be specific with what type of hat, because there's a chance you could get a fedora or so many different options. And here immediately we have some nice looking beanies. You have this one, it's a little orange. That one's giving Christmas. Oh, that one's really nice. Now let's use a female and see how that works out. I guess a human female. And we want to replace her shirt. We'll go with the red shirt as well. So right here, I'm typing in white shirt so that the AI can find the specific shirt or the specific item that I want to change. And I want to change it with a red button-down collared shirt. Make sure to be pretty specific here. And look, we have some options already. Now it looks like this shirt is kind of ashy red. It's kind of maroon, but I like that. That one's red. I'm not too satisfied with these options, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back and regenerate a few more options. And all of the old options are still saved there. Now here we go. Already it looks like we have some better options. So we have this one that's nice and short sleeve. We have, oh, that one's really nice. Okay, so we have some more options that are true red. And then here are our older ones. Okay, and here you actually see me save, I do save the shirts. And save all the ones, and they'll show up in your generation history. And then here is the shirt that I picked. Voila! Thank you so much. I hope that tutorial was nice, quick, and easy. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up that video. And check out our Discord. We have some fun stuff over there. All the links will be in the description. Bye!